Hi guys, had a bit of a problem the other day. Noticed that my repeater lens had fallen off this bit here. Had a look around online to see if I could find a replacement for it for the T2. Can't find them anywhere, just that. So I had to get the whole thing, all the wires and everything. Doesn't come with a bulb. The bulb is still there on the van, still working. So I'm going to see if I can just replace this section here. As I said, you can't find the lens on its own. Can't find it specifically listed as a T2 part anywhere. Hella used to make them. They don't make them specifically for T2s anymore. This is for a Vauxhall Astra MKII. And I am told this fits, so let's give it a go.